I welcome you all once more. So this is the second part of the examples under the exponential functions. So we have 5 more questions to solve. Okay. So the questions, so we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So if you are here and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, and share the videos. That is the least you can do for us. Okay, please make sure you share the videos with your friends into groups. Okay, so let's look at the questions. We have solve for x in the following. So solution, we have number 1, we have 1 over 32 raised to the power of x is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 5. So here we have to reduce both sides to their lowest common base. So that this is certain as what? This is certain as 1 over 2 raised to the power of 5 into bracket x is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of what? 2 into bracket what? 2x minus 5. Okay. Now, from our law of indices, this is certain as what? Is certain as 2 raised to the power of minus 5x, which is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of 2 into bracket what? 2x minus 5. Okay. So since their base are the same thing, we equate their powers, and that will give us minus 5x is equals to 2 into bracket what? 2x minus 5. So we have minus 5x is equal to 2 times 2x is what? 4x minus 2 times minus 5 is what? 10. So this will come over to this side. We have minus 5x minus 4x is equals to minus 10. This minus this is what? Is minus 9x is equals to what? Minus 10. So our x is equals to minus 10 over 9 over minus 9. So our x is equals to 10 over 9. So this is the answer here. But you can still divide this further and get mixed fractions. Okay, and that will give us what? That will give us 1 whole number 1 over 9. So this is either this or this. They are correct. They are still the same thing. So let's solve the third part of the question. So we have 3 times what? 3 times 9 raised to the power of 1 plus x is equals to 2 raised to the power 27 raised to the power of minus x. Okay, so here you can see we have 3 times this is equals to 27. So we have to reduce both sides to their lowest common base, and that will give us what? 3 times what? 3 raised to the power of 2 into bracket 1 plus what? X is equals to what? 3 raised to the power of what? 3 into bracket minus x. So you can see this side, there is multiplication and their base are the same thing. You apply your law of indices when you are multiplying and their base are the same thing. Mind you, this is certain as what? 3 raised to the power of 1. So you take one of the base and you add their powers. So we're going to have what? 3 raised to the power of what? 1 plus 2 into bracket 1 plus what? X is equals to what? 3 raised to the power of 3 into bracket what? So 3 times this is minus 3x. We don't need to begin to repeat that. Okay, so since they are the same thing, we equate their powers. So we're going to have 1 plus what? 2 into bracket 1 plus what? X is equals to minus 3x. So let's multiply the bracket here. So we're going to have what? We're going to have 1 plus 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus what? 2 times x is what? 2x equals to what? Minus 3x. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3 plus what? 2x is equals to minus 3x. Okay, take 2x to this side. We're going to have 3 is equals to minus 2x minus, minus 3. This minus 3 minus 3x minus what? 2x. So our 3 is equals to what? Minus 5x. Therefore, our x is equals to 3 over what? Minus 5. Okay, so this, so our s is equals to minus 3 over 5. So this is our answer. Okay, so let's solve the fourth one. The fourth question says we have 2 times 4 raised to the power of x minus 3 is equals to 16 raised to the power of x divided by what? 8 raised to the power of 1 minus x. So you can see this side we are multiplying, this side we are dividing. So convert them to their lowest common base and conclude the solving from there. So mind you, this will give us 2 raised to the power of 1. This is certain as 2 raised to the power of 1 times this 4 is certain as 2 raised to the power of what? 2 into bracket what? X minus 3, which is equal to what? 16 is certain as what? 2 raised to the power of what? 4. So times x is 4x divided by what? 8 is certain as 2 raised to the power of what? 3 into bracket 1 minus what? X. So here you're multiplying, you apply the law of indices. Here you are dividing, you apply the law of indices. That is, you take one of the bases, you subtract their powers. Here, since you are multiplying, you take one of the bases, you add their power. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 1 plus what? 2 into bracket x minus 3 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4x minus what? 3 into bracket 1 minus what? X. So since they are based at the same thing, you equate their powers. So I'm going to have 1 plus what? 2 into bracket x minus 3 is equals to 4x minus 3 into bracket 1 minus x. Okay? So we have 1 plus 2 times x is 2x minus 2 times 3 is what? 6 is equals to 4x minus 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 times this is what? Plus 3x. Okay? So we're going to have 1 plus 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 5 plus 2x is equals to 4x plus 3x is 7x minus what? 3. Okay? So take minus 5 to this side, take 7x to this side. We're going to have what? 2x minus 7x is equals to minus 3 plus 5. Okay? So let's continue our solving from here. So we're going to have this minus this will give us what? Will give us minus 5x is equals to minus 3 plus 5 is equals to what? 2. Therefore, our x is equals to minus 2 over 5. So this is our answer. Okay. So please, I want you to try the last one, which is what? Try this. Number 5. We'll have 4 over what? 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 8 raised to the power of what? 2x. Okay. So try this. Share your answer on the comment section and I promise to respond. Thank you so much.